G'day guys, welcome back. This is going to be part 2 of the Ryco O2 Brush air filter review. So at the time of filming this, it'll be about 15,000 Ks that I've done with this in the car. If you remember back when I started, I had 33s tyres on the car. I've since upgraded to 35, so I'll give you a rundown of how it's changed since then. So yeah, let's go have a look at opening it up and seeing what she looked like after 15,000 Ks. Alright guys, so a bit of review on it. As you can see, it's got this super thick rubber, and everyone knows that the issue with these engines, the VDJs, is dust getting past the air filter on and into the engine, which can cause all sorts of issues. As you can see from when I originally did it, you can see marks that I put on the top of the airbox with my finger, and the big bits where I wiped it clean, they were still clean, so no dust is getting through because of this super thick filter. So that's one huge plus, that's a big benefit right there. The claims with this air filter was that you'd see increased performance and increase in fuel economy. For me, I didn't notice an increase in performance. Maybe if I had it on a dyno I would, but just day-to-day driving, didn't see too much of an performance increase. Fuel economy, on the other hand, I saw an incredible difference. So originally when I was running this, when I put this in, I obviously had the 33s, got 35 wheels on there now, so it's a bit different to present. But when it originally went in, I noticed that beforehand I was getting about 15 to 16 litres per 100. With this in, I did it for a few tanks and I was consistently getting between 13 and 14 litres per 100 day-to-day driving and stuff like that. So definitely saw a huge increase in fuel economy, obviously the way better airflow. Yeah, and with the 35s on, obviously that played a difference, so it did jump up when I put them on. I'm getting now about 14 to 15 litres per 100. Yeah, so reviews on this, would highly recommend. One, for it doesn't let the dust pass the air filter, so it will save you getting dusted on the engine. Two, a standard air filter is about 50 bucks. This is 99 and has a 5-year warranty. So after one air filter change, one clean of this, you've already made your money back and you're getting better fuel economy, no dusting. So yeah, would highly recommend switching to one of these air filters if you're running this engine. Can't say how they work for other engines, but definitely on the 76 would recommend. Cheers, see you guys.